Yeah, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. So I've been accused of not showing much love to the 2100 series on this channel. I do have a couple. They haven't really made their way into any videos. I don't believe this one has, and I know this one hasn't. But I'm going to add another one to it. And it's this GA-2100K-1A It's part of a new series of 3 that came out where it's supposedly inspired by nightclubs and the music of nightclubs, the smoky lights and the lasers. Ooh, lasers. Things of that nature. So I picked up one of the ones that I enjoyed. I really liked all 3 of them. There's this one that I'm going to unbox right now. There's a blue and orange one. And then there's like a brown and red one. Here you have the module booklet, which I enjoy, a nice booklet. And the warranty cards. You got your batteries, your battery list, and your warnings as well. Getting right to the unboxing. I really enjoyed the way this looked. I wanted another 2100. I didn't have a non-Bluetooth or solar one. I didn't have a GA-2100. Wow, that's really cool. Man, that's nice. Yeah, like, I mean, lasers and smoky. I could see the smoky. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I see what they're saying. I buy in. I buy into it. You can see the negative display. I think it looks really cool under these lights right here. You got your world time. Obviously your stopwatch, your timer, your alarms. You know, I like a signal. So let's go over there to signal and let's put that on. No, that's the light. Signal on. I like a nice signal. I like all my watches chirping at the same time. So there we go. This is really cool. You got your carbon core guard. I really like the the translucent band. I hope it doesn't yellow in a few years. You know, I think it may, but let's just hope not. Let's hope all the rest of these don't either, because that would look really weird, yellowish, gray. I really like the teal highlights. I don't think there's lume on these things. Let's see. Let's see. Nope, no lume. But let's see the backlight. Very nice backlight. LED. You know, it illuminates nice. You know, this is a GA-2100. There's no frills on this. This was $135 MSRP, brand new. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. I got Froggy since it's a Friday. We got Froggy Friday going on here today. We celebrate in this house, which is only me and my cat. You might have heard otherwise, but here we go. Man, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a really nice 2100. I'm gonna wear this a lot, you know, even though I wear this one kind of frequently. And I got to admit, I don't wear this one too often, the BBR, which is a nice one. I love the red display. So this is my, now we're turning it into a 2100 showcase, but let's get these off because we don't care about those. We care about this one. This is the, once again, it's the GA-2100K-1A, part of a series of 3. And I think they all look really cool. They all look really cool in person in the G-Shock store. I ordered this one on Casio's website. And they came in about a week. They could do a little bit better with their shipping, but hey, you know, it got here. So how you doing? So this is a real nice one. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Simple unboxing, not much to really go through. Have a good day, have a good night, and how you doing?